Hi guys, and welcome to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today guys, we're going to make some stir fry, some chicken and shrimp stir fry. And for that, I have a pound of extra large shrimp. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I have one medium onion chopped. I have some deluxe stir fry that I got from Walmart. But you can use whatever stir fry you like. This one has broccoli, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn on a cob, watercress, and red peppers. I have a quarter cup of brown sugar. I have some soy sauce, some white wine vinegar. I have some garlic powder, some garlic and herb. I have some ginger, powdered ginger, onion powder, and some black pepper. And all of that is going to make our sauce. And we're going to season, the meats with that. Okay? So when I come back, we're going to make that sauce. And then we're going to move to the stove. And we're going to start our stir fry. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so now we're back. I'm going in with that quarter cup brown sugar. I'm going to use a quarter cup. You can use rice wine or white wine vinegar. In there. Don't want to overpower it with the vinegar. We're going to balance it out. Then we're going in with our soy sauce. And we're going to use a whole half a cup of soy sauce right in there, just like so. I'm going to add our ginger. I'm just going to take the lid off and go in. Well, you don't use too much. We're going to a teaspoon of that ginger. Going in with some onion powder. Another teaspoon of onion powder. We have some garlic powder. Now I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of some garlic powder. Then we got the Mrs. Dash garlic and herb blend. About a teaspoon of that. Now black pepper. And this is a really easy, stir fry mixture. You can add some crushed red pepper flakes to this if you want. Spice it up. We're not going to do that. Alright. So all these flavors are going to balance together. And it was easy, simple, and quick. And we're going to use some of these same seasonings to season up our meats. Alright. We'll come back. We're going to move over to the stove. So this is all mixed up. And that's all you need is about a cup of mixture. Alright. Okay, so now that my pan is nice and hot, and I've got, because I like to spray it with non-stick spray. Now I got some avocado oil. I'm going to go in with my chicken. I'm going to go in with my chicken. And this is going to make a loud sound. Just like that. And when you cook in with a wok, this is my wok, I like to put everything on high heat. And we're going to go in and season this chicken. Just a little bit of ginger. My Mrs. Dash. Garlic powder. onion powder. And just walk away. You know, get that all cooked up. I'm gonna hit it with a little salt, you guys. Just a little salt. Now I didn't hit the sauce because soy sauce has enough salt. And we don't need all of that. And this chicken doesn't take long at all to cook up. And just nice, quick, weeknight meal. Now I'll go in with the shrimp. I'm gonna let the shrimp soak up all the seasoning from the chicken. And these are peeled, cleaned, and deveined by me. Just walk around and walk in. Alright, so when these cook up enough, we're gonna come back and we're gonna add our vegetables. Alright guys, so now we're gonna come in with those beautiful onions. Right into the pan. Like I said, it's vegetable time. And with those onions, you know, the stir-fry onions are never like completely cooked down to mush. They always got some nice texture to them. And they nice bite-sized pieces. And every stir-fry I've ever had. Even fried rice. Like I said, this dish is nice and quick. Always cook your rice first, because this goes so fast. Oh my goodness, the colors in here. Oh, so beautiful, guys. So what we're going to do is just let these vegetables cook for a little bit. And when we come back, we're going to add that sauce. See how quick this was to put together? Oh my goodness. And all we're really doing is just heating the vegetables up. Nice big hot stir fry. Told you, it goes so fast, cooks so quick. I just cooked this in real time. To be honest with you, I cooked the camera off for like 3 to 5 minutes. Alright. Alrighty now, guys. Now we're going to go in with that sauce that we made earlier. I'm going to put it all over. Nothing to hold up in this kitchen, baby. If you can dream it, you can achieve it. All we're going to do is just mix this together. Vegetables nice, bright, and vibrant. Just coating our vegetables with this amazing illuminating sauce. Like I said, you can add some crushed red pepper, some cayenne pepper, all of that to that. But I think I had peppered my husband out. We won't be doing that today. Well, my kids would love it. They love a little spice. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water. So just to thin it out just a little bit. So I added, like, I don't know, it was a little bit of water. Wasn't much. Probably 2 tablespoons of water. Alright, so we're going to turn this off. When we come back, we're going to plate this up. And then we're going to have a feast. This is, look at this, guys. You see this? This is beautiful. This is eating in the making, baby. Less than 20-minute meal. Less than 20-minute meal, guys. Alright. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. So it's time to close out this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All this beautiful. Here we have the vegetables, the little corn, the chicken, rice underneath. Look at that. So I'm gonna grab some rice and the chicken. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Y'all see that? Alright. So we're going in. Hot. But also so delicious. My goodness. Okay. You get a small sweetness, not a big sweetness, because we only put a quarter cup. And then you get that flavory kick. Oh, okay. I'm going in with just vegetables. Y'all see that? Gotta blow it. Hot. Okay. I'm going with the baby corn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. I'm here just eating away, guys. No worries here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'm going to see you in the next video.